Well, it's the last day of the season. Musky 2022 is almost over. It's been a pretty good year. Haven't got a 50 yet, so I'm gonna keep grinding today. I was down here yesterday as well, and the weather was not good at all. Friggin' hurricane winds almost, 72 miles per hour. Super wavy. But today's supposed to calm down. We got a lot of rain last night too, so let's hope something happens. Need to get that 50. Come on, let's go. Dirty? Any luck? Lighthouse is at your face. We went there last night, it was brutal.
Who was there this morning said it was terrible too. So.
Oh man.
This is their only option, right? You gonna fish?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There's no other choice. Gotta grind.
I'm like, I want to try this crossing because I'm watching dudes on the other side out fishing, right?
Yeah.
Leos and we're getting into that. So it's like cut an octopus hook out of that mess in a couple little split shots.
Yeah.
So I did. And I literally cut some hook I found out, and he made this 7-8 foot leader. And he's like, just cast out and let it tick across the way. I'm like, this is never gonna work. And
Yeah.
Like, tick, tick.
Yeah.
There it is.
That's how we do it in the, so like, fish. Yep. No, Rover. Oh no! You got it? No way, you're a legend, dude. You're a legend. Oh man.
Like that?
Oh, that was awesome. Dude. All right. Chill.
You got a lamprey on it?
Yeah, he does. He's got a lamprey on him too.
Just pull it.
Yeah, just rip it off. Awesome, thank you. All right, let's get him back quick.
You got that on camera?
Yep. You were a legend, brother.
Put him in the net.
Yeah.
Got lucky in there.
Yeah, just let. Yeah.
He should be up here, right?
Oh yeah. There he goes. Oh, thank you. This man is a legend.
That was awesome.
Oh man, that was crazy.
Those rovers.
Yeah. Oh. That was, he thunked that thing too.
Was it pretty close, right?
Yeah, he was actually out there a little bit. I'm just reeling until thunk, set the hook, fish.
Were you thumping the bottom at all?
I was not tapping the bottom that time. Whew.
I was very skeptical that was going to come to fruition like that. But
I can't believe, I was like, I thought for sure it was gone. And then everyone's like, yeah. I was like, what? I looked down, you have it in the net. I was like, no way.
He was pointing the right direction.
Yeah.
He swam into it.
Well, that was like when you lost yours the other night. I was like, he was just far enough. Like, I don't know if you saw me. I was like trying to like hook my foot on something to reach farther.
Well, when I got that one over there that I lost, because no one would help me with the net, I got him, he was pointing out, and I got him right here, and it was, you know, he had either way to tip.
Yeah.
He tipped that way.
Oh, good. Oh, man. Well, that feels good. Get one on the end of the season. So I got that one on the rover here. I don't know if you guys saw it on the camera, but as I was fighting it, popped off right at the wall, and luckily Grady, that legend of a man, scooped it up just as it was like stunned at the wall there. So that was pretty sweet. But I'll keep using it, and feels good to get one on the last day. Hopefully we can get a few more.
You owe him this one.
Yep.
You owe him this one. No, he's on a Sibyl. He ain't going nowhere.
That's what he lost his on the last time.
Ooh, it's a good one.
That is a good one.
What do you want?
I got it. You gotta turn him around.
Turn him around this way. Turn him around this way. Yep. And scoop. Got him.
Thanks,
Grady, buddy.
This way. Yeah.
Got it.
That's how I lost my one last time. Fuck. Thank you.
No problem.
Thanks, man.
To the grass.
To the grass.
I just about took that lure off.
Oh, he's not that big. Just a little guy. Good one though. Just one hook, John. Jonah, pop him. No. Here. Let me see.
Okay. Oh, now you just hooked up. Alright.
Here, grab him this way. Come this way. Put your left hand in so you don't get that bloody chin in the picture.
Nice. You got a camera, John.
Yep.
There you go.
Let's go to the corner there.
By the rocks. Oh, there we go.
Yes, buddy.
Cool.
Good. I'll get the net. We can put it back in.
I love that thing.
Okay.
See, if we would have left, we would have lost it.
Yep.
We're gonna go over here.
We'll go over here so we don't block Gary.
Getting nervous.
Get.
Oh, he's good. He's ready to go. Ready?
He's going.
There it is. Thanks, man.
Beauty.
Whose net is it? Trunk.
Tehran's it. All right.
But your blood was boiling, I can see it. You were going through that good, crazy adrenaline rush, eh? Pumping you up.
Throw those Sibyls.
Blood pumping, baby.
Oh, there you go. You've been grinding. Now you know you made the right decision.
It's a good time.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, 100%.
Hope the Sibyl bite just... Good job, man.
Welcome to the last day club.
I want to be in that.
Same.
Well, you guys have switched the Sibyl. I'm gonna go crank one on the rover.
The Sibyl always prevails, though.
It does. I didn't hear that yell of a fish. Like, yeah, there was. Yeah, you were silent. You're just like, yeah. Was he having a seizure over there? Well, guys, that's the end of the musky season. I'm super pumped I was able to at least pull one more fish out. It wasn't very big, but you know, I'll take it. Only 2 caught that I saw today, so just glad to be one of the ones that got one. Also, Grady, he got one. His was a bit nicer. And also, huge shout out to Grady for saving my fish as it popped off. Not sure if the camera picked that up earlier, but I'm pretty pumped that right at the shore it popped off and he was able to still scoop it up. So all in all, it was a good musky season and I can't wait for June to roll around, but now it's on to ice fishing. Let's go.